Okay, it is June 18th. We are in Garden City, just north, with all kinds of landspout potential today. The storm's erupting right here. We've got the film crew from China and the tour group. Yeah, watch the road. From China, we're trying to get a tornado, even if it's this landspout today. We have this exploding tower right here. A landspout could happen anywhere around here. Everybody ready. And there could be some over there. There's dust over there, but I think it's a fire. I've been watching that one. I don't know what it is, but we're watching that one too. Look at that. Massive multi-vortex! I'm just kidding. Nothing. Look at the dust! Look at that! Dude, look at the rain curtains. I know, get the photo. Oh man. Probably gotta get south if that gets better. It's really hard for me to see that stuff on these, like, because that looks like, you know, it's gone already, like it's... Oh my God. I don't know. That fire is wild. That's where that hit. Oh. See it? Lucy, do you see the fire? Yeah. Okay.
If any bolt strikes in this field, dude, we gotta go.
Wow.
That was the other side of the Red Sea.
Just unbelievable lightning. Look at the big bowl funnel right. Oh my Lord.
Is that a bowl funnel? Why would you hope not?
Hey, let's see if it was a landspout. I mean, I never seen a landspout like that before. Just rapidly rotating wall cloud around it, rain curtains. I mean, what are we talking about? Okay, the reason for some of the snark in the last video clip was some of the National Weather Service people were kind of saying that this was just a landspout. It wasn't even tornado warned, and we were trying to say no, it was more than that. It was a mesocyclone tornadic supercell that kind of came out of a landspout potential environment. And you can see here there's a lot of motion, a lot of rotation. And the real key to all this is this next still frame from that time lapse. You can clearly see a funnel right there in the middle. And this may have kind of started out landspouty, but then it became a mesocyclonic tornado hybrid, some sort, where there is some kind of debate on what exactly this was. But you can clearly see a funnel here coming out of the circulation. So it was a tornado, not maybe a regular mesocyclonic tornado, not just a landspout. But I know Pecos Hank and a few others have been kind of talking about it and trying to see if we can figure out what it was exactly. And he may actually have a video coming out about that at some point. But that was kind of the details on that. A very, very fun chase day.